How to do slice video transition effect in Premiere Pro. To begin, I added 2 videos to my timeline. Move the second video above the first one in the second track so they have some overlaps. In the Effects panel, search for Crop and add it to the top video. Now in the Effect controls, set top to 75. Hold down the Alt key and drag the top video to create 3 duplicates from it. Select the second duplicate, and set top to 50 and bottom to 25. Select the third duplicate, and set top to 25 and bottom to 50. Select the last duplicate, and set top to 0 and bottom to 75. Now search for Transform and add it to the top video. Select the top video and move the playhead to the start. Click on the stopwatch next to position to create a starting keyframe and drag its first value to the left until the video is out of the frame. Move the playhead a little forward and reset the position to create the second keyframe. Right-click on the last keyframe and add ease into it to smoothen the animation. Uncheck the Use Composition's shutter angle and set shutter angle to 180 to add motion blur to the animation. Now click on the Transform effect and press Ctrl+C to copy it. Then select Other Videos, click in the Effect Controls panel, and press Ctrl+V to paste it. Now select the third video, then select both keyframes and press Ctrl+X to cut them. Move the playhead to the start, then hold down the Shift key and press the right arrow key to go forward 5 frames, and press Ctrl+V to paste the keyframes. Select Other Videos, move forward 5 frames and cut and paste keyframes. And now we have it. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.